Hi, my name is Ali. I'm a chemistry teacher. My topic is evidence for the particulate nature of matter. Matter is made of tiny particles, and these tiny particles are not at rest, they are in motion. When particles move, they collide. When they collide, they mix together. This natural mixing of the particle is called diffusion. This spontaneous mixing of the particles is called diffusion. So diffusion is based upon the movement of the particles, and when they move, they collide. When they collide, they mix up together, and this takes place spontaneously, naturally. Just to quote an example, just to illustrate my point of view, if there is a bromine and there is air and there is a lid between them, if we remove the lid, the bromine particles move and the air particles move and they mix up together. This is a reason that when particles move, they collide and they mix up together. So the presence of spaces between them means that these particles can come in between and they can be mixed up together. So this is the direct evidence that particles are having spaces between them, and matter is made of tiny particles having a lot of spaces between them, and this is a reason that mixing can take place. So diffusion can lead us towards the direct evidence that matter is made of particles. Matter is just according to kinetic particle theory. Otherwise, the mixing cannot take place.